What's going on YouTube? I'm back again with another video, and today's video is the Fiesta's getting yet another mod. And also guys, don't forget about the giveaway. I'm giving away £50 for when I reach 1,000 subscribers. All you have to do is subscribe, make sure you subscribe, put the notification bell on, comment down below that you subscribed, and follow my Instagram 24/7 boost. It's going to be in the description. And yeah, let's get on with the video. I found some wind deflectors for the Fiesta for 20 quid online on Facebook Marketplace, and I was like, £20? Alright then, I can work with that, so I'm going to get it now. Alright, I'm on my way to Thornbury now. It's like a 23-minute drive, not too far. Got the money now, and yeah, alright, we're almost there now. 9 minutes away. As you can see, we're in sort of the countryside. Bare sheep, getting snowed up here. Cows, sheep. Look, speaking of sheep, look, I knew I was going to see some sheep. I don't know if they can see on the camera, some sheep over there. But yeah, man, we're almost there. Keep tuned. Guys, a little POV, quick POV. There you go, we're going 60 miles an hour now, we're doing the speeding. So yeah, we're 7 minutes away now. We're now 7 minutes away. Let's see. How do they expect us to get down to 40 from right there, from 60 to 40, so Thornbury? I thought we were going to end up going like on a motorway or something, but it was just like dual carriageway, and then like, what do they call them?
Dual carriageways?
There's dual carriageway, and then there's something else. I said it like earlier.
I don't know.
Country roads. There you go, that's how you go around the roundabout, guys. You don't know how to go around the roundabout, that's how you go around the roundabout. They got some new ones around there. Alright, here they are. I'm just going to slip them in now. Put a clip up in there.
the way now.
There you go. That's low.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's at the front. Well, not the back. Looks nice. Alright, I'm just putting this up here in the middle. Guys, that's how it's looking. Fiesta's got win.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, it's now the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And also don't forget about the competition that I'm doing for when I hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm doing a giveaway, a £50 giveaway to show you my appreciation to you guys for subscribing. So all you have to do to enter the competition is subscribe, put the notification bell on, comment in the description down below and follow my Instagram. And yeah, bless up.